I'm going to be reacting to 10 TikToks that prove that we have been doing all these basic things wrong. So stay around, stick around, like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's get to reacting. We start with this. So yango eko chibage tunotokonyana chibage nichi using our hands, but look at this invention.
I saw this gadget somewhere and I thought, why not try it on our backyard harvest? So here I am, the popa in Somali, Utpendo and a plank. And of course,
guys, look at it. She actually made a shelling thing for maize, quick, in a cheap way.
I had to be the first one to try it out. And guess what? It worked wonders, made our work so much easier.
Oh, as you can see, guys, so would you make this? Of course, I would definitely make this. This is actually nice. Let's watch the next basic thing we've been doing wrong. Oh yeah, that's true. Notongo sungira wire so that you can carry the bucket. But fun fact, me, I actually carried the bucket without even the hand. So I don't think that applies to me. Let me know in the comment section if you do that. But I am actually familiar with this.
I don't blame people for disappointing you. I blame yourself for trusting them.
What is he trying to do? So when the like the tape is not working, you put the pipe. What is he trying to do?
Just know.
Fun fact, everyone does this at their home. They find a way so that Yeguyanika Hembe Maizia. So this is actually Jay-Z knows up. Let's watch the next clip. So this is apparently how to like clean the pot. Yeah, let's just watch it.
Hi guys, so when you're done with all your cooking and your pot is looking burnt like this, please don't scratch it with a spoon, okay? You will damage your pot.
Fun fact, I have to come clean. I actually do that.
You have to turn it from that to this in few minutes. Are you ready? First, you need what they call baking soda. Just go to any store around you, you'll find it there. A can is around 500 naira, so it's very cheap. Pour it in nice and slow. Now get any liquid soap, the one you use in washing your plate, and then get what they call vinegar. Anyone that
guys, ato my ingredients takutongeta kutobika futi kapa. Since this is zongo cleaner cheta me.
You can find white vinegar, apple cider, just pour a little bit in and then add some water, just a little bit of water to cover that area that is burnt. Now you're going to place it on medium to low heat. You just need to boil this a little bit, so don't cover your pot. If not, it's going to get foamy and then spill over, okay?
It's at dinner time here, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have time for this. Hope to waste time go. The solution.
So after it's boiled and it's looking like this, yes, you're going to just turn off your heat and then close your pot the way it is like that. Just close it and allow it to cool down. After a few minutes, this is what you should have. See the way everything.
Guys, He's
already starting to come out even without touching it, right? Now you're going to pour out the dirty water and then see. Can you just see the way I'm using my hand to even just scrape it out? At this point, just get your sponge and your soap and then wash thoroughly and rinse. And this is what you should have. If I catch you using your spoon to scrape your pot anyhow this period, you want to damage your fine pot, just use this hack, okay? And then share with somebody that you think would need it. Bye guys!
This is actually nice, but I think it's time wasting. You should do the African way. Let's watch the next clip. The next thing, this actually pisses me off. You see, when you're trying to like pour anything into a cup, but then it spills all over the place. So let's see what this white person is trying to do. Oh, that's actually cool, guys. Did you see that? So I'll definitely try that. So you have to put a spoon on top of the cup, then pour it. Oh, that's okay. Pano paita tea pana matumonotari kuti chikonfeso.
Here is a huge life hack. If you stir your sugar into your tea, but then change your mind, simply stir it in the opposite
How? Why would you change your mind? I mean, let's just watch the
direction from how you stirred it originally, and you can get the sugar back.
guys, zviriko here manje ndatomwa tea manje ndaida kuzvitry vakutitira mafanizi maindomo. I think paitwa reverse thing. I think paitwa zvereverse izvezvi. This is complete fake. Next one says easy way to open milk. I mean, how is it an easy way? Aren't you supposed to open it pamusoro nechivharo? Amwe matiktok atichingoonesa so atimboonei kuti ada kuvhura sei. Guys, I don't know about you guys, but I think this is why would you cut the thing instead chingovhura kachivharo? matiktok sevana vasoka. Akutipedzera nguva yedu apa yarasika futi akutopedzera nguva.